In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under oxygen. So guys, we have 4 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following elements will bond in excess oxygen to form a product that is neutral to litmus? We have hydrogen, sulfur, sodium, carbon. So the right answer is option A, which is hydrogen. So when hydrogen reacts with oxygen in excess, we are going to have water, which is neutral to litmus. Next question is this one. It says, which of the following elements is the atomic? We have sodium, iron, oxygen, neon. The right answer is option C, which is oxygen. The next question says, which of the following compounds is not suitable for the preparation of oxygen by heating? We have option A to be sodium nitrate, we have option B to be this, option C to be this, hydrogen peroxide, option D to be silver nitrate. So right answer is option D, silver nitrate. Okay, very important. The next question will be this one. The last question, it says the components of air that can be removed by alkaline pyrogallo solution is, we have nitrogen, water vapor, carbon dioxide, we have oxygen. So the right answer is option D, oxygen. Guys, take note of this particular question. Sometimes it comes out. All right, so this basically can deal with problems involving oxygen for your chemistry practice with 4 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video here, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNE exams writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.